Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cathy and this is Skint Living UK. I've been to Asda and Aldi today, they're just across the road from each other, and in Asda I spent £5.12. I got 6 items and all of them were reduced. So I got 2 packets of strawberries, so me and my son will have one each, and they were £1.11 and they should have been £2.27, so I'm about to fling them in the fridge. I got the salad bowl, £1.10 instead of £1.96. I'm going to yum that for lunch. Sweet chilli chicken noodle salad, yummy yummy yummy. So I'll throw a blob of mayo on that and it'll be good to go. I bought a big bag of apples. These were reduced from £3 to £1.08. So that's 1.5 kilograms. Crips red from France. So there's what, 3, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 apples there, and it was £1.08. So that's a good price. And I got 2 packets of pancakes, which both me and my son love, and even my cat's partial to them. And they were 36p each instead of 50. So me and my son will have one each. So that was a great deal. £5.12. So I went over to Aldi, yay, it's open again, and I spent £7.64. So I got a big tub of Greek style yoghurt, and this is £1.80 I think in Asda, and it's £1.49 in Aldi. I got a box of gravy bones for my cat dog, and they were 85p. I got a big packet of 10 cat sticks, which my cat loves. She likes the Aldi ones, provided they're the salmon flavour ones, and they're £1.19. I got some dog strips for my dog, they're 45p. I got a packet, a tray of dog pate, and that was 59p. Earls there, 300 grams, 59p. I got a bag of wonky peppers, some nice red and yellow ones. Yummy, 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 because I'm doing a pasta bake in my full back position during the week. And the peppers were £1.59. I got a tin of sardines, my dog and cat share it. My cat gets a little bit in a saucer and the dog gets some mixed up with doggy biscuits. Good for them because it's got omega-3, high in protein, all that sort of thing. And last but no means least, a jammy donut, 2 of them for 99p, and these I think are £1.70 or £1.89 in Asda, so virtually half the price. So I thought that was good. £7.64. We're having a fridge and freezer week, pantry week. So these 2 were just like little top-up shops, because I've defrosted some chicken for today. I'm gonna make some chicken satays for dinner. And we'll have the strawberries and the yoghurt for pudding, and I've defrosted some sausages and black pudding for tomorrow. So they've just come out an hour ago. So yeah, so we've got plenty of food for the next few days till I go shopping on Friday. So please like, share and subscribe. Let me know if you've picked up any bargains this week, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.